For a long time, China saw itself as the undisputed king of manufacturing, faster, cheaper, and bigger than anyone else on the planet. Then Tesla walked in and completely redefined what fast actually means. Not a little faster, not even twice as fast. We're talking about a level of speed that shatters every benchmark the auto industry has ever lived by. Elon Musk claims Tesla can crank out a finished car in under 30 seconds, thanks to Giga Press 2.0, a machine so extreme that no one else has anything like it. A car rolling off the line every half minute is basically unheard of. Even China's most advanced factories still take close to 2 minutes per vehicle. And yes, China has massive scale, hundreds of factories, millions of workers, non-stop production, but the system is still built the old way. Tons of steps, tons of people, and endless opportunities for errors. Tesla flips that entire model on its head. They pull humans off the line, eliminate hundreds of unnecessary robots, wipe out thousands of welds, and end up with a production line moving so fast it's actually unsafe for people to stand nearby. The secret is pushing Gigacasting to the absolute edge. And now comes Gigapress 2.0, the most insane piece of equipment ever dropped into an auto factory. It's nothing like earlier versions, and the way it operates almost feels unreal. Musk has even joked that it's like making Matchbox cars, and he says this machine will be used across all future Tesla models. The goal? Faster launches, fewer delays, and total dominance in production speed. So what's really happening inside this thing? What makes it so different from before? And just how ridiculously fast are we talking? The Gigapress is not just one of the biggest die-casting machines in the world. It's an engineering marvel that's revolutionized the way we think about automotive manufacturing. Picture this, a machine the size of a 2-story house that can churn out enormous EV parts in mere seconds. That kind of speed and efficiency is unmatched, and it's exactly why automakers globally are willing to pour millions of dollars just to get their hands on one. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Tesla was the first to bring the Gigapress to life, not just as an idea, but as a game-changing reality in car production. This innovation sparked a manufacturing revolution that took the entire industry by surprise. But as we know, Elon Musk doesn't stop at firsts. He's been continually refining the technology, and now we're on the brink of the next giant leap with Gigapress 2.0. This new iteration is an absolute powerhouse, boasting a mind-boggling 50,000 tons of clamping force. The goal? To cast an entire vehicle underbody in a single, seamless shot. So, why does Tesla need this monster of a machine? And what's the significance of Gigapress 2.0 in the context of their upcoming Model 2? The answer lies in the company's audacious plans for the Model 2, which, according to Musk, could be the most affordable and high-volume EV in Tesla's history. Expected to launch sometime next year, the Model 2's price point is jaw-droppingly low, projected to start at just $29,990. Musk himself has confirmed that production could reach anywhere from 30 to 40 million units, a staggering figure that could outpace the combined production of the Model 3 and Model Y. At first, this seemed like another one of Elon's ambitious big promises, leading many to dismiss it as hype. But the introduction of the new generation Gigapress, specifically designed for next-gen vehicles like the Model 2, has started to shift the conversation. Suddenly, what seemed like a lofty goal looks increasingly achievable. Tesla has been tight-lipped about the Model 2's design, but leaks suggest it's set to surprise the world. The car is expected to defy the conventional expectations of an affordable vehicle, challenging assumptions about what a budget-friendly EV can deliver. And Musk has hinted that the production speed for the Model 2 will be far faster than the Model Y, essentially paving the way for a new era of push-button EV manufacturing. The implications are huge, not just for Tesla, but for the entire automotive industry. Gigapress 2.0 isn't just a tool, it's the key to unlocking the future of electric vehicle production at scale. Whether you're a recent Tesla follower or a longtime enthusiast, there's one thing that stands out. We've been hearing about this affordable Tesla for years. Plans have been made, canceled, and revived multiple times, but this time it feels different. Elon Musk and Tesla have finally confirmed that it's really happening. The Model 2 will roll off the same production lines as the Model 3 and Model Y, but here's the big catch. Tesla isn't reusing the 6,000-ton Gigapress from the Model Y. Instead, they're stepping up their game with an entirely new generation of die-casting machines, more powerful and much more ambitious. Remember, it was the 6,000-ton Gigapress that helped Tesla cut Model Y production costs by a whopping 40%. The company replaced over 70 parts with just 2 large aluminum alloy castings, all integrated with a structural battery pack. It was a true manufacturing revolution. Now, Tesla is ready to take that strategy to the next level for the Model 2, and the ambition is clear. The Model 2 itself is a reflection of this vision. It's more compact than the Model 3, with extremely short front and rear overhangs, so much so that there's barely any room for a traditional trunk. This design makes it perfect for testing the feasibility of a single-piece cast underbody. But here's the challenge. The 6,000-ton Gigapress used for the Model Y isn't powerful enough to handle this in a single casting. Enter the true game-changer, the next-generation Gigapress. This isn't just any upgrade. According to Elon Musk, in an all-hands meeting, this machine can cast an entire underbody in one shot, and even more impressively, it can produce 5 underbody frames in a single cycle. If that's true, the Model 2's production speed will break all records, surpassing anything the automotive industry has seen. Now let's put that into perspective. A 50,000-ton Gigapress would be 8.5 times more powerful than the current 6,200-ton Gigapress Tesla uses for the Model Y. So it's not just a bigger machine, it's an absolute powerhouse that will redefine automotive manufacturing. We're talking about a level of efficiency that's set to transform the entire industry. This cutting-edge technology is a game-changer, especially for a compact vehicle like the Model 2. With the Gigapress 2.0, Tesla can produce the entire chassis in a single casting, eliminating the need to weld together dozens of complex parts. The result? A vehicle that's not only lighter and more durable but also stiffer and produced at a far faster rate. By cutting out numerous production steps, Tesla is able to dramatically lower costs, making that $29,990 price tag a reality, which just a few years ago might have sounded impossible. What makes Gigapress 2.0 so remarkable is its extraordinary efficiency and precision. While previous generations of the Gigapress could only produce one chassis per cycle, Elon Musk has confirmed that this new machine can cast up to 5 chassis frames in a single cycle. Imagine the possibilities. With a single machine, Tesla could produce multiple components at once, speeding up production to unprecedented levels. If this claim holds true, Model 2's production speed would outpace anything the automotive industry has ever seen. Gigapress 2.0 isn't just a massive piece of machinery. It represents a monumental shift in automotive manufacturing. It's about more than just speed. It's about optimizing costs and improving the overall quality of Tesla's products. The precision of this machine allows for higher quality parts with fewer imperfections, directly impacting the final product and the bottom line. The process begins with preparing the materials. Tesla uses high-quality aluminum alloy, the primary material for die casting, which is melted to about 850 degrees Celsius in specialized furnaces. This aluminum mixture is carefully crafted by blending pure aluminum with recycled material from previous castings, ensuring a perfect consistency for the process. What's particularly impressive about Gigapress 2.0 is its dual furnace setup. One furnace uses natural gas to reach the extreme temperatures required to melt the aluminum, while the second furnace relies on electric heating to maintain a steady temperature, ensuring the material remains at the ideal level before it's poured into the mold. This parallel furnace system optimizes the workflow, enhances energy efficiency, and prevents oxidation, guaranteeing that the material quality is kept at its peak throughout the process. This is the kind of innovation that not only accelerates production, but also helps Tesla maintain its reputation for cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices. The next step in the process is mold preparation and the die casting itself, where precision becomes paramount. Once the aluminum is melted, the molds are carefully prepared using ultra-high precision dies that will form the vehicle components. Prior to each casting cycle, robots apply a fine layer of soybean oil to the mold surfaces. This oil acts as a release agent, preventing the molten aluminum from adhering to the mold and ensuring that the part can be removed easily once the casting is complete. This seemingly small step is, in fact, critical to the process. It not only protects the molds from wear and damage, but also ensures that the casting process is smoother, more consistent, and efficient, thereby reducing the risk of defects. Following mold lubrication, a vacuum system is deployed to eliminate any trapped air within the mold. This is a crucial step, as even the smallest amount of air can affect the quality of the cast part. With the air removed, the molten aluminum is then transferred into an injection chamber. A high-speed piston forces the aluminum into the mold at an astonishing velocity, within mere milliseconds. The speed and force of the injection are critical for achieving the precise details of the part's design. This rapid injection allows the metal to fill the intricate cavities of the mold with exceptional accuracy, ensuring that every feature is captured perfectly. Once the molten aluminum is injected, the component stays inside the mold until it solidifies. This solidification stage is pivotal because the uniformity with which the aluminum solidifies directly influences the quality and strength of the final product. After solidification, the part is still extremely hot, around 500 degrees Celsius, and is immediately removed from the mold. It is then quenched in a cold water bath, rapidly cooling the component. This cooling process, known as quenching, not only reduces the time it takes to finalize the part, but also increases its strength and stiffness. The rapid cooling ensures the aluminum reaches its optimal mechanical properties, including high tensile strength and surface hardness, essential for the performance of the final vehicle component. In this die casting process, managing pressure is one of the most challenging aspects. The injection of molten aluminum at such high speeds generates enormous pressure, which, if not properly controlled, can lead to mold damage or defects in the cast component. To prevent this, the Gigapress 2.0 applies an extraordinary clamping force of up to 50,000 tons, 8.5 times the force of the previous 6,200-ton Gigapress. This immense clamping force ensures the mold stays tightly sealed under pressure, preventing any cracking or deformation that could compromise the integrity of the final part. This technological advancement not only safeguards the quality of the components, but also significantly enhances the reliability and durability of the production process, offering an unprecedented level of precision and consistency. The combination of precision mold preparation, high-speed injection, and meticulous temperature control is what makes the Gigapress 2.0 such a revolutionary force in automotive manufacturing. It enables Tesla to produce lightweight, high-strength vehicle components in record time, while also driving down production costs and enhancing the overall quality of the product. This is the level of innovation that sets Tesla apart, as it allows the company to streamline manufacturing at a scale and speed previously thought impossible. Once the casting process is complete, the parts undergo a crucial inspection using X-ray scanning technology. This step ensures that any potential internal defects are identified before the components move further down the production line. Given Tesla's stringent quality standards, this inspection is vital for maintaining the integrity and safety of each part. Another remarkable feature of this manufacturing process is material reuse. After each casting cycle, any excess aluminum that isn't used in the part is collected and sent back through the recycling system. This not only reduces waste, but also helps lower production costs. By reintroducing leftover material into the process, Tesla creates a closed-loop system that enhances both sustainability and efficiency. Every bit of aluminum from the casting cycle is recycled and put to use again in subsequent productions, supporting the company's commitment to minimizing its environmental footprint while improving the bottom line. Once the cast components pass inspection and have cooled down, they are sent to the next stage of the production line, where they are integrated with other parts to form the complete chassis. This assembly is carried out with the help of robots, ensuring that the process is not only fast but also precise, resulting in a robust, stable structure optimized for high-volume manufacturing. What truly sets Gigapress 2.0 apart, however, is its ability to streamline the manufacturing process by eliminating many of the complex steps typical in traditional automotive production. Thanks to the large single-piece castings, many of the usual operations, such as assembly, welding, and machining, are drastically reduced or completely removed. This simplification not only saves time, but also lowers the risk of errors during production, leading to better consistency and quality. The Gigapress 2.0 technology allows Tesla to manufacture the Model 2 with an unprecedented level of efficiency. The single-piece body design eliminates the need for numerous components traditionally required in automotive manufacturing. According to engineers involved in the project, the Model 2 will only have around 90 structural parts, nearly 60% fewer than the more than 200 parts in the Model Y. This significant reduction in part count doesn't just simplify assembly, it drastically boosts manufacturing efficiency. With fewer components to handle and a faster, more streamlined assembly process, the Model 2 has the potential to revolutionize mass production in the automotive industry. Thanks to the power of Gigapress 2.0, Tesla's production time for the Model 2 will be substantially quicker than the Model Y, paving the way for large-scale manufacturing at speeds never before seen in the auto industry. This technological breakthrough sets Tesla apart as a leader in the transition to sustainable high-volume EV production, behind the impressive production capabilities of the Gigapress 2.0. There's still one major question that remains unanswered. What exactly will the Model 2 be like? From its exterior design and interior layout to the driving experience that Tesla promises, the details are all still under wraps, leaving both tech enthusiasts and potential buyers eagerly awaiting the reveal. Tesla has kept much of the information confidential, but recent leaks, along with some well-educated speculation, offer us a glimpse into what might be in store. To get the full picture, however, we'll have to wait for Q2, when Tesla is expected to officially unveil all the details. Based on what we've seen so far, it's shaping up to be something truly exciting. Okay, the Model 2 is expected to be a compact hatchback, marking Tesla's first foray into this segment, which has grown increasingly popular in markets like Europe and China. This will be a departure from the sedans and SUVs that Tesla has produced up until now, and it promises to bring a fresh new design to the brand. On the outside, the Model 2 will feature a completely new aesthetic, distinct from anything currently in Tesla's lineup. While it will likely retain some familiar design elements like sleek modern lines and a minimalist look, expect a new design language that's geared toward affordability and mass market appeal. One key change will be the headlights. Tesla is expected to move away from the horizontal light bar design found on the Model 3 and Model Y in favor of sharper, more powerful headlights, giving the Model 2 a more aggressive and unique look. Battery technology will also play a crucial role in making the Model 2 accessible to a broader audience. To keep costs down while maintaining impressive performance, the Model 2 will be equipped with lithium iron phosphate batteries. Traditionally, LFP batteries were seen as having lower energy density compared to conventional lithium-ion batteries. However, the latest generation of LFP cells from CATL is set to challenge that perception. These new cells offer higher energy density and faster charging times, making them a perfect fit for the Model 2. According to CATL, this new LFP battery technology not only supports ultra-fast charging, but also enables a driving range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. The ability to charge from 5% to 80% in just 15 minutes, even in cold temperatures, means the Model 2 can perform well in diverse weather conditions. This impressive charging speed and range give Model 2 a significant advantage over other low-cost electric vehicles currently on the market. A car priced under $30,000, with a range of about 300 miles per charge, would be a remarkable offering in the electric vehicle space, particularly for consumers who have long been worried about range anxiety. With its fast charging capabilities and strong range, the Model 2 could be an extremely compelling option for those looking for an affordable, reliable electric car that can go the distance without constant recharging stops. In short, while we're still waiting for the full details, early indications suggest that the Model 2 will not only deliver on Tesla's promise of an affordable electric car, but also bring a level of performance and innovation that could shake up the market. With its new design, improved battery technology, and impressive range, the Model 2 has the potential to become a game-changer in the affordable EV space. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.